Hey, if you use a lot of these propane torches, you really need to have a propane refill adapter. So this bottle is about $7, $8 at the Walmart near me. This adapter is about $10 on Amazon. So if you refill your bottle 2 times, it practically pays for itself. So to refill this, we need to flip the tank upside down. When you put the adapter on the tank first, you may not be able to see, there's a hole that goes all the way through this. So if you were to put this on the bottle, the little bottle first, propane will go straight through. And there's no way to shut it off. So you put this on first because there's a valve down here. You could actually put that on before you flip it over. That's a little bit easier. All right, now I just got to turn on the valve and wait. And you should be able to hear the transfer. Now these bottles, the big tank, the 20-pound tanks, if you get it from an exchange place, they'll only put 15 pounds in it. If you take this to a refill station like Tractor Supply, they will actually put a full 20 pounds in there for about $16 at the moment, or at least the last time I got one refilled. So you'd be able to refill one of these tanks 15 plus times just for $15. So essentially this becomes about $1 a piece per refill. These 2 tanks are exactly the same temperature. I've heard that you can get more in the small one if you put it in the freezer. So we'll pull out a frozen bottle in a minute. All right, I think it's been long enough that the pressure is equalized. I'll go ahead and shut this off. Looks like I turned it the wrong way. That's what happens when you're upside down. Righty-tighty turns into righty-loosey. There we go. Now ideally you would have gloves on. I keep my hands back here so I don't get frostbite up there. Much better that time. All right, I've got 1 pound, 6.9 ounces. I don't know what the tare weight of the empty bottle is because I didn't start with an empty bottle. Now I'm going to try the frozen one. This one wobbles. It's bent. All right, I can't hear any more transfer, so let's shut it down. Now, if I said this feels heavier, it might just be in my head, but let's find out. 2 pounds, 0.3 ounces. So that did make a difference. So that was interesting. I guess from now on, I will be chilling the receiving bottles. Hey, that's all I've got for this video. I appreciate you taking time to watch it today, and I will see you all later.